This is Deepak. Deepak runs an pharmaceutical retail shop. And of course, it is not easy. He faces many challenges. The biggest problem he faces is that of placing order to his suppliers. He has to keep himself busy calling up distributors and asking information of medicines. He has no medium to compare rates and schemes between the distributors. Sometimes he has to visit the distributors, suffer from crowd, wait in long queues. Even after all this, he does not get all the required products, in search of which he has to go to different distributors. Even after all this, he fails to purchase some of his required products, which leads to stock shortage. He has to be dependent on the salesman for his distributors to take his purchase order. Deepak also finds it difficult to be updated about the prescription dates of his customers. Meet Mr. Sharmaji, an old customer of Deepak. He is a diabetic patient and has to take regular medicines at the prescribed time. One day Sharmaji runs short of medicines which affected his health, and later on he had to purchase those prescribed medicine from some other medicine shop. Deepak has many such customers like Sharmaji, whom he fails to remind about their prescription date. This way, he starts losing those customers to his competitors. Deepak also fails to make smart purchase decisions because of no purchase tracking. He doesn't remember that at what price and discount he actually had purchased and from which supplier. Like the same supplier who gave 15% discount on the last purchase is now giving discount of 5% on the same product. And he is unaware of it. And because he is not aware of this change, as there are so many purchase bills, he loses the chance to purchase from the other suppliers who might be giving better discounts on the same product. Many times Deepak runs short of those products which are high in demand, or sometimes he happens to end up with more stock than needed which are not even much in demand. Keeping track of breakage and expiry products is also difficult. Deepak is not able to track his breakage and near expiry products. He does not know which products are nearing their expiry dates or which products are breakage. Apart from all this, Deepak also has to take care of reorder, expiry stock management, accounts, file GST returns, and many more. Deepak realized that it's time to adapt his business to the latest technology. And that's when he found Maag ERP, pharma retail software integrated with mobile apps. Maag ERP has transformed the way he used to run his business. Now, by using Maag ERP e-business, e-retail app or web browser, he can search the product he wants to order and can have a live view that which supplier has how much stock of this product. He can view live supplier stock status, stock availability, compare between schemes and rates, and place the best purchase order in the most convenient way. Now, Deepak is also able to easily maintain prescription of his customers. In Maag software, he can feed all the information of the doctor who had prescribed the medicines and also can set reminders with which he can provide pending prescription information to his customers. This way, Deepak is able to prior remind his customers about their medicine and deliver them on time before they go somewhere else. Now, Deepak doesn't even run out of stock. Because in Maag software, he mentioned the minimum and maximum stock level that he wants, and software indicates him whenever the stock is about to go below the minimum level or above the maximum level. So this way, he never has to face excess stock or low stock. The intelligent reorder system in Maag software enables Deepak to place reorder to his suppliers at the right time, so their products are available for selling at the right time. Deepak can also keep track of his breakage and expiry stock, which save him from a lot of loss. He is able to track his purchases of every supplier by taking a quick view at the purchase history of the billed product, and also by viewing purchase-related reports. So Maag ERP is a perfect solution for the pharmaceutical retail sector, which comes with some of these unique features: fast billing, counter sale management, collaborative commerce, intelligent product search while billing, manage patients' records, doctors' commissions management, special alerts while handling narcotic and H1 drugs, rack-wise inventory management, substitute availability findings, email or SMS, GST compliances, MIS reports, 1000+ reports.